Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss Americanism, and I'll discuss the subtopics which will cover core values of Americanism, settlement of America, British colonies, and then uniformity of American language, publication on Americanism, great American linguist, and some features of use English as well. So let's get started with the word Americanism. What does this mean? So it's a set of United States patriotic values which aims at creating a collective American identity and can be also defined as an articulation of the nation's rightful place in world and set of traditions, political language and culture style imbued with political meaning. So it refers to it's an ideology or belief in ideology that in devotion, loyalty and allegiance to United States of America or its flag traditions, cultures, customs, symbols, institution or form of government. So we'll see core values of Americanism include liberty, self-government, equality, individualism, diversity and unity. Settlement of America. Before independence, there were 13 British colonies which are under the rule of British Crown. So America got independence later. So we'll see, Columbus discovered America 1492, and then we'll see potato crops felt in our land, and so many people moved to USA, so population growth took place. Okay. And American Revolutionary War, as I already discussed this topic in detail in American history as well, that the Revolutionary War, okay, and the periods in American history as well. So this refers to War of Independence of the USA. So American Revolutionary Wars, American War of Independence, also known as, between the Kingdom of Britain, okay, and its 13 British colonies to get independence. And basically the colonies are the British colonies and the inhabitants are Americans. Okay. And then after this war of independence, America got independence in 4th July 1776, and 13 British colonies. Okay, we'll see, these are New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and then Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. And the reasons to migrate to USA are its resources, that are gold and mines, coal. Okay, so different people moves to USA, Dutch people and many more. So the Middle West will see. So gold was discovered in California. Its production changed from 2000 to 150,000 population. And these are the map of American states and uniformity of American English. We'll see. So colonialism separate uniformity in spoken English to some extent, and then Americans change place frequently, and these are the words from other languages: Brazilian jucar, Indian banana, and many more. So why did they emerge? Okay, according to Noam Webster, he wrote Compendious Dictionary of English Language, and he is a great contribution in English language. And he writes his dissertation on English language, and he studied that American standard. He emphasized on this word American standard needed to be established. Spelling reforms, as I discussed in one of my videos, link above. And then why did they emerge? Okay, he just attack in his work. He just attack on Johnson's dictionary and criticize on it, and his own write his own dictionary, compendious dictionary of English language. Okay, and this Noah Webster, also known as father of American scholarship and education, and this is more about him, his books, his works, and then spelling reforms dictionary as well. I discussed that in uh, dictionary, the history of dictionary formation, and all of these in detail. So now we'll see more. These are just not necessary. Yes, publication on Americanism. So in 19th century, American English was the branch of philology. Philology is a branch of knowledge that deals with structure, historical development, and relationship of language and languages. And the pioneers are George Hempl. American Dialect Society was made, and journal Dialect Notes were started, and American Language by H.L.Menckan, and he published a solid volume, American Language, attempted to bring together examples of American rather than English expressions and idioms. And more publications will see American Speech. American Speech is a quarterly academic journal of American Dialect Society, established in 1925 and published by Duke University Press. And more work include English Language in America by J.P. Crabb, a dictionary of American English on historical principles by Sir William Craigie, dictionary of American regional English by F.G. Cassidy. And great American linguists include, obviously, the most important name is Noam Chomsky, and his works, his contribution includes syntactic structures regarding, so he defines them. Syntactic structure is influential work in linguistics by Noam Chomsky, and his model of transformation generative grammar. And another important name is William Labous. His work on pronunciation of rich and poor classes gender American words in general use. These are the words he focused. And then archive features of language American English. We'll see archive, it's a collection of historical documents or records keeping. Okay, data storage, you can say. And American National Archive was there. And then we'll discuss archaic features in US English. Basically, archaic, this refers to something that is very old, antique, ancient. So preservation of old inflections in Icelandic and Scandinavian languages. English language in America can't really be considered more conservative than English of England. US English preserve archaic features of 17th-18th centuries English pronunciation and many more. So this is all about today's lecture. These are some relevant links, and also I'll provide you the notes, the link in the description. Thank you for watching.